Released at the beginning of 2016, the Hublot MP-05 LaFerrari Sapphire set the road for the release of the Big Bang Unico Sapphire and the Big Bang Unico Sapphire All Black during Baselworld 2016. You can read our review of those two new pieces right here. But now, let's continue with our hands-on review of this fascinating timepiece, which is now our favorite MP-05 LaFerrari right after the all-black one. Fitted with a very unique case design inspired by the shape of a Ferrari engine inside the Ferrari LaFerrari, this particular watch is now available in a clear fully polished sapphire crystal case. The case of the Hublot MP-05 LaFerrari Sapphire is extremely solid and not as fragile as one would think, considering its crystal case construction. While Hublot has not provided any specifics regarding the thickness of the crystal utilized on the case, we are confident that is sturdy enough to not shatter at the first drop on a semi-hard surface. Unfortunately, we clearly couldn't put it to the test. The case measures approximately 52 mm long x 48 mm wide and 16 mm thick. On what would be the 12 o'clock position on any conventional timepiece, the Hublot MP-05 LaFerrari features a wrench fitting that is utilized to wind the watch. Below you will find more detailed information on how to wind the watch and how to set the time. On top of that area, the case features a black Ferrari Cavallino rampant. Its curves and multi-layer construction are finished with a perfect fully polished transparent look. Fitted with a suspended vertical tourbillon at what would be the 6 o'clock position, the Hublot LaFerrari indicates the hours and minutes via two engraved clear sapphire crystal cylinders with white numerals and red accents displaying the hours and minutes in increments of 5 on the right side of the dial. If we look at the picture below, the watch shows that the time is 10 o'clock. Additionally, there is a power reserve indicator also comprised of two engraved clear sapphire crystal cylinders with white numerals and red accents located on the left side of the dial. Looking at the picture below, the power reserve reads approximately 38 days. The Hublot MP-05 LaFerrari Sapphire can be fully wound to provide a power reserve of at least 50 days minus 1,200 hours.